Hello, I'm Bart Swinnen. I'm CEO and Product Management of Luminex Network Intelligence, and we're showing and introducing here Araneo, or new software to visualize the gigacore network, so you can get confidence in your network again. What we see here actually is the Araneo software, which is advancing actually our gigacore network switches. When it opens up, it actually automatically detects and discovers all the gigacore network products on the network, and it throws automatically the topology. So you actually get a visual, graphical view on how the network looks like. And within the application we have different attributes we can actually visualize. So we can look to link status. We see actually the active links of the connections. We also see with the dashed lines where our backup links are. And we see, like people who know our gigacore switches, that we also have the groups colors of the different VLANs available directly on the product. We're not only seeing our gigacore network switches, but we also see the end devices connected to the gigacore. So you have a complete view of your network. You actually can drag and arrange your network plan like you want, and you can save the layout and recall the layout later. Different attributes, we can look to traffic, so you can see traffic coming up per link. We can look to some attributes for audio, AVB, or we can look to multicast attributes. Actually, every switch I select pops up a dashboard on the bottom. And that dashboard shows us actually bandwidth activity. So what Araneo does is continuously monitoring the network and actually show you really what is happening on the network. So I see actually the bandwidth activity on the network, and it will even warn me when I'm reaching bandwidth limitations. Like if I go over 70% of the bandwidth, the link will color orange, and even red when I go above 90%. But the cool thing about Araneo is that we used to make configuration very easy in one switch, but with Araneo we see the complete network, and we can start doing configuration from a complete top level perspective. So instead of going into every individual switch, we can see the complete network, and we can just select ports on different switches, so not only in one switch anymore. And you can go to groups configuration and you can assign those ports to the specific groups. So from this moment on with Araneo, you actually have visibility on your complete network, and you know exactly what is happening with your network. Apart from bandwidth, we can also see the PoE status, so we actually see how much power is being drawn from the switch. We see the multicast registration, so lighting control, audio control, they use a lot of multicast protocols, and actually you have visibility on which protocols are being used on what port. And we also have system information, so every switch you select you can see actually what its processing power is being used of, the temperature, the fan speeds, etc. So actually the goal of Araneo is giving confidence to our AV technicians, because we ask them every time again, you can put lighting on one network, you can put audio on the same network, but how is that cloud of network behaving? Actually that's what Araneo reveals. It actually shows that network and gives you a lot of information out of it. All the changes in the network are logged, so you have a complete log where you can look into what happened on the network. From the moment you disconnect something from the network, you actually see the messages coming in on your screen, and you actually know exactly where problems are on your network in different levels, as info messages, warning messages, or error messages. Araneo is really there to give you confidence in the network. If you would like to have more information on Araneo, then please visit our website www.luminex.world/Araneo. Thank you.